Hey HIST 101 students, Professor Benelou here with a little sneak peek into what will be going on in Unit 4. Hard to believe we're in week 4, but here we are. Okay, my office hour chat schedule for this week is as follows. Monday, which will be December 7th, I'll be holding my office hours at the usual time of 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Tuesday, which will be December 8th, I'll be holding chat number 4 at our regularly scheduled time, so check your classroom for that information. Okay, your remaining Unit 3 due date is Tuesday, December 8th. You will have your Unit 3 in telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Now, Unit 4 is a big deal because the Unit 4 discussion board on Thursday, which was December 3rd, I posted 2 short videos of me describing the Unit 4 discussion board assignment, explaining that. And I'll be going over it again extensively in class on Tuesday, December 8th. Excuse me, Friday was the 4th. But anyway, I will be going over that extensively in class on December 8th, which will be Tuesday. So stay tuned for that and be diligently working on this assignment, please, so you have plenty of time to ask me any questions. And remember, I'm always available through my email address or through the messenger portion of the CTU app. So don't hesitate to ask me absolutely any questions. Okay, Unit 4 due dates. And remember, Unit 4 is extremely important because of the Unit 4 discussion board. You have 2 things due this Friday, December 11th. The first thing you have due is Unit 4 Determine Knowledge, which will be due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Then also on Friday, December 11th, very important, you have your Unit 4 discussion board original post due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Remember that this is broken down into 2 due dates, just like Unit 2 discussion board was. Okay, so then on Tuesday, which will be December 15th, you will have 2 things due as well. First things first, you will have the Unit 4 in telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then secondly, on Tuesday, December 15th, you will have Unit 4 discussion board responses due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Remember, Unit 4 DB is extremely similar to Unit 2 DB, but the one twist with the responses is each response post must be at least 100 words in length. And remember, you need to tailor your responses to your classmates' post. Just don't leave it at, gee, Jake, you did a great job on this assignment. I really enjoyed reading your post and you answered absolutely all the questions. I can't wait to read more of your work. Well, that is incredible and very supportive. You need to go beyond that and you need to answer the questions as listed in the assignment. Tailor your post to the classmates post and answer those questions. You will have absolutely positively no problem meeting the 100-word requirement for each of your response posts. Alrighty, everyone. With that said, have a great week and reach out to me if you have any questions.